In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of Ambrane 10,000 mAh wireless power bank with MagSafe compatibility. I bought this power bank for my iPhone. As we know that iPhone doesn't give better battery backup, so you need to have power bank all the time when you're traveling somewhere. The box of Ambrane power bank looks like this. You can see Type-C charging, quick charging, and here are some of the features of this phone: 15 watts wireless output, strong magnetic hold, multiple ports, and it is compatible with both Android and iPhone. The price mentioned on the box is 2,999, but you can get this power bank below 800. I got this power bank for just 500 during a sale. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. And this product is made in India. So without wasting any time, let's remove the seal. With the power bank, you will get some envelopes, and also you will get a one accessory magnetic charging ring. If you have older generation iPhones which doesn't have good magnetic power, you can simply attach this ring and you can charge your phone wirelessly. And here is a box. Join the Ambrane alley. Along with the power bank, you will get Type-C to Type-A cable. Here is a Type-A to Type-C cable. Here is a Ambrane 10,000 mAh MagSafe power bank. You can see the size of this power bank. It is very compact, and you will get Type-A port and Type-C port, and here are the indicator lights. And here is a power button. Let's turn on the power button. You can see out of the box you will get almost 75% charge, and the back looks like this. Here you can see the model number of this device and the capacity. You can see the serial number printed over here. On the front you can see Ambrane branding. Let's remove the stickers. Let's see whether this MagSafe from Ambrane charges the iPhone. Here I have an iPhone 14 Pro. Currently it has a 16% battery. Now let's fix this. Here you can see that it is charging the iPhone. If you can see, it is charging the iPhone wirelessly. Here you can see that it fixes to the iPhone very strongly. The magnetic power of this MagSafe power bank is pretty good. Now you can see the blue light. It means that it is charging the iPhone. It has an indicator light for charging and 4 other indicator lights for the battery capacity. See how compact it is. If it is working on my iPhone 14, it can work perfectly on the latest generation of iPhones. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Ambrane MagSafe power bank. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.